Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the most mind blowing channel ever, where we serve you the coolest travel stories with a desi twist. आज हम लेकर आए एक प्लेस जहाँ की ब्यूटी से मोहब्बत हो जाएंगी, and that's none other than the mesmerizing Greenland, the icy paradise of the Arctic. Gear up for a roller coaster of a trending awesome trip. Hold on to your seat because we are heading to Greenland, where dreams come true in the Arctic landscape. Imagine standing amidst iceberg where the air is pure and the silence is deafening. It's like you have landed on another planet. No kidding. अरे यार, अब बात है नॉर्थन लाइट्स की. The cosmic dance of color in the Arctic sky. Greenland is one of the top spots to witness this jaw-dropping phenomena. Imagine the skis being painted in shade of green, pink and blue. एकदम मजेदार. Ready to pump up that adrenaline? Greenland is your ultimate adventure destination. From dog sledding to ice climbing, kayaking between the icebergs and even diving in freezing waters. यहाँ पे एक्साइटमेंट का लेवल कुछ अलग ही है बॉस. Guess what? Greenland doesn't sleep during summers. Experience the midnight sun when the sun doesn't set and the whole land is bathed in golden light. Imagine feeling energized 24 into 7 hours, just like a superhero. Greenland isn't about nature, it's also about its amazing Inuit culture. Meet the locals, learn about their traditionals, and try some traditional Inuit dishes. It's like stepping into a whole new world. Iceberg glaciers and frozen landscape. Greenland is like a land of frozen marvels. Explore Ilulissa Ice Road where you will witness iceberg breaking off from glaciers. एकदम नेचर्स ड्रामा लाइफ देखो. सो दोस्त, ये था ग्रीनलैंड, एक ऐसा मैजिकल प्लेस जहाँ नेचर का ब्यूटी हो गया है एक लेवल अप. If you are loving this mind-blowing journey, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more epic travel adventure. अब हम आपके लिए लाएंगे और भी extraordinary कहानियाँ. So stay tuned, stay amazed and धन्यवाद.